sorry ass DJ.
My name is Rodrigo Mendoza Hipolito from BSCE1C, subject in Physics for Engineers. The topic is about addition and subtraction of vectors by components. So let's talk about vectors. Vectors can express in terms of their horizontal and vertical components, which is x and y axis, respectively. And another way to add vectors is to express both of them in terms of their horizontal and vertical components and then add them together. So this is the example. What are the magnitude d and direction angle theta of the net displacement for the treasure hunt? So here is the figure to help us to visualize. As we can see in this problem, we have three vectors that we are going to add, which is vector A plus vector B plus vector C. But take note, even we have many vectors, we're going to use some process as well. We are going to look for vertical and horizontal component of that each vectors. And then we are going to collect their horizontal components and add. Then that is the horizontal components of main vectors. Same with the vertical components. First, let's get all the horizontal components of the three vectors, which is A, B, and C. So for AX, we have AX is equal to 3.75 meters. Cosine, and our angle for positive x-axis, which is 90 degrees. So AX is equal to 0. So for BX, we have 2.25 meters. Cosine 0. So our BX is equal to 2.25 meters. So for CX, we have 3 meters. Cosine negative 45 degrees. Bakit? Dahil kapag sinukat natin siya pababa, hindi ko na alam. Why negative? Because kapag sinukat natin siya pababa, so that is a negative angle. Now, CX, we have 2.12 meters. So for AY naman, we have directly 3.75 meters. What? Tignan dito. Okay na? Padang ka? Because nasa positive y-axis siya. So for BY naman, we don't have BY because vector B is equal to magnitude 2.25 meters na nakalatag sa x-axis, that is equal to 0. For CY naman, we have 3 meters sine negative 45 degrees. So now, CY is equal to negative 2.12 meters. So, nasolve na natin lahat ng ating horizontal components ng vectors. So, we are going to add all vectors. Answer is the value of dx and dy, or the vector horizontal component ng vector sum. So for dx, we're going to add this all. So dx is equal to 0 plus 2.25 meters 25 meters plus 2.12 meters. And then, now, dx is equal to 4.37 meters. For dy naman, dy is equal to 3.75 meters plus 0 plus negative 2.12 meters. Then dy is now equal to 1.63 meters. Finally, for magnitude, d is equal to square root of 1.63 meters quantity squared plus 4.37 meters quantity squared. So now, d is equal to 4.66 meters. So the value of magnitude d now is 4.66 meters. So for the direction of angle theta, inverse tangent or 1.63 meter over 4.37 meter, the value of the direction or vector d is now equal to 20.5 degrees. So, hindi na tayo dadaan dito sa vector A, and sa vector B, and sa vector C. So, dito tayo dadaan sa vector D with the distance of 4.66 meters and the magnitude of 20.5 degrees in the positive x-axis. So,